This is the Ideal Gas Volume Interactive Calculator, which solves gas property calculations using the ideal gas law. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have a calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options: calculate volume, calculate pressure, calculate number of moles, calculate temperature, calculate gas density, and calculate mass from volume. For this demonstration, I've selected calculate volume. Next, enter the pressure P in kilopascals. I'm using 101.325. The volume 5 field shows in liters with a placeholder of 24.45. Number of moles, N, is where you input the amount of gas. I'll use 1.0 mole. Temperature T is entered in Kelvin. I'm using 298.15. Finally, molar mass M in grams per mole. I'll enter 28.97 for air. After clicking Calculate, the results appear below. The primary result shows your calculated volume based on the ideal gas equation. The output includes proper units for the selected calculation mode. This tool quickly validates your gas system designs. Whether you're sizing pressure vessels, calculating gas densities for flow systems, or determining required volumes for chemical processes, find the link in the description below.